city. The stop between the Mount Forest and the Mara, the home of the seventh wonder of the world. So thank you, O Lord, for Maasai Mara University. We glorify your holy name. The epitome of academic excellence, research and innovative teaching, embracing creativity, embracing transparency, professional accountability. The epitome of academic excellence, research and innovative teaching, promoting equity and social justice. So God bless Maasai Mara University.
Hello, my name is Dr. Jared Ombiro from Maasai Mara University. I would like to introduce the team which will present Maasai Mara University in PLANCKS 2021 competition. This group consists of fourth-year finalist physics students and first semester first-year MSc physics students. These students specializes in electronics, renewable energy, material science, and computation physics. Welcome.
My name is Enoch Sandeto, a student at Maasai Mara University, undergraduate for their finalist. BSc Physics students specialize in renewable energy. I'm one of the contestants in PLANCKS 2021 competition representing Maasai Mara University. So I'm really looking forward for a fruitful competition. Thank you.
My name is Eliud Diego, and I'm a Master of Science student in physics here at Maasai Mara University. I'm glad that I'm part of this team that participates in PLANCKS 2021 competition. I look forward to a fruitful engagement in this competition. Thank you.
I'm Okoth Stephen Ojol, one of the contestants and part of Maasai Mara competition team that will participate in PLANCKS competition 2021. I am a master's student in physics, and area of interest is renewable energy and higher energy, and I'm looking forward to a fruitful participation and interaction with other colleagues that will participate in the same program. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the Maasai Mara University team, and we look forward for their participation in this competition, and we wish them all the best so that they can be able to participate fully